A chiropractic adjustment does not hurt. The main job of the patient is to just relax, and we do understand that there's some apprehensiveness to a chiropractic adjustment if you've never had a chiropractic adjustment before. However, there are many techniques that we can utilize that does not put you in that sort of position. I can actually adjust you just face down without any movement whatsoever by the patient, and we still get some of the same great effects of chiropractic. However, once we get away from not using the hands and whatnot in the traditional manner, the delay of healing is just a little bit longer.